Hey guys, today we're gonna be looking at my Casio Quartz red treble square alarm clock, which you could see here. It is running on top, which it is running in that one. It's a pop, which it is working. That one. It's a yellow second hand, and then it was running. But well, actually, it's running. Now, let me put on the back. The back over there, you see the quartz movement because it is running. That one works well, working on the shape. It's a pop-up, two jewels on it. It's called assembly in Thailand. It works very well. You see, it's a battery cover which is running on them. Works. You see. Now, let me pull it the front. Yup, you could see it is running. That one. It's a brand name called Casio, which this works well. That one is a working. Looks like it's running. That one. Thank you for watching, for being enjoy, which is works well on it. I'll see you then.